Good morning. My name is Lee. I'm the assistant store manager for the Home Depot here in St. Cloud on 13th Street. We've got our annual hurricane and disaster preparedness event going on out here in the parking lot today. We have quite a number of vendors. I believe we've counted 43 different vendors and representatives from Sheriff's Department, Fire Department, all focused on disaster and hurricane preparedness. I think the most important thing going on out here today is the exchange of knowledge. Sure, we have the supplies and everything you need, but more importantly is what to do, how to prepare, and ensure the safety of yourselves and your families in our hurricane-prone area here. I'm sure everyone remembers Hurricane Matthew just last year. Very near miss for everyone, and there's a lot of things you can and should do in advance of a hurricane or a disaster to be really well prepared for it. It takes a lot of the stress and anxiety and danger out of those kind of situations for households. So I think one of the best things going on out here today is our county and state governments have on their websites, they have a long list of all the purchases you can make to prepare for disasters and hurricanes that are tax-free. This is a weekend event. If you want a list of the exact materials, we have them here at the store when you come in, or you can look at it on the Florida Revenue website there. It's a good opportunity not only to get a lot of information, but to get a lot of the critical supplies you'll need tax-free this weekend only.
They weren't given that.
It's never there when you need it.
And then when you're not looking for it,
You can't get rid of it.
this is the one we want the center. One. On the side.
Yeah, the biggest came every time flying and all that.
Want me to come over and meet you guys?
Okay. You got your
Finally keep you short.
Alan, what up?
Hey, buddy, darling, how are you?